We just took out the poly bushes out of the trailing arms. Standard, it has a big rubber bush which are always worn. Obviously a lot of guys go through a lot of effort to put poly bushes in, which isn't wrong, but I've seen different levels of quality poly bushes. It's obviously done for debate, but yeah, I don't like the poly bushes for hardcore racing. We just removed the poly bushes that I had in. I had to heat it up a bit to get it out. Our solution for this is making these sandwich plates that my friend Marco makes up for us, that captures this bush. And in fact, this bush is a very common bush. It's actually this top bush on the low control arm. So the bush is relatively inexpensive. We just buy the highest quality one that they usually have in the spare shop. So it goes down there, and the next one comes in and then clamps it. And then, we put it in there. So really, it's not the hardest thing in the world to make, but it makes for lots of accuracy, and the nice thing about this is it's got a rubber boot. So, it's protected from the weather and the elements and stuff. And yeah, this is what we do. I use it on all the cars, the turbo cars, everything, and it's relatively speaking inexpensive. The biggest thing with this actually is the labor to change it out. When it's still got the standard bushes, you actually have to take the trailing arm out and put it in the press.